we are going to learn how to set up the Databricks free edition account. And once our account is ready, I will also give you a complete tour of the Databricks workspace so you know exactly where everything is located. So recently Databricks introduced this free edition, and I personally think this is one of the best initiative from Databricks for learning the community, because earlier many learners had to depend on cloud subscriptions or trial accounts or paid resources just to practice Databricks. But now with the free edition, anyone can start learning Databricks without worrying about additional infrastructure or cloud cost. So now I will tell you how you can set up. I will be giving this free edition URL in the description. Just click on that URL and you will see the UI like this. Just click on the sign up for a free edition and provide your email and continue with the email you have provided, and then they will ask a certain details like a name and to create an account. Just create it. There is no need of any credit cards or something. It is a simply free edition and you can simply create the account. Now going back to the free edition, now I will tell you what you can exactly learn with this free edition. You can exactly learn Apache Spark, PySpark, SQL, Delta Lake, Unity Catalog, notebooks, workflows, and many data engineering concepts you can learn with these Databricks features. Now let's begin by starting understanding this each and every tab present in the Databricks. So the first one is home page. It is your starting point after you log in into the Databricks. From here, you can quickly access your recent notebooks, jobs, dashboards, and other frequently used resources. And also you can see some courses are displayed here and some interactive demos. You can watch those. For beginners, it's really very helpful. And there is a learn tab is also there. In the learn tab, they are providing some official learning code resources, tutorials, documentation, and guided examples to help beginners understand the Databricks features. And the next one is the workspace. Inside the workspace where you will spend most of your time, here you can create notebooks, organize folders, store notebooks, manage project files, collaborate with your team. Think of workspace as your project directory inside Databricks. Now coming to this recent section displays the notebooks, dashboards, queries, and other resources that you have recently opened and making it easy to continue your work. And coming to this catalog, the catalog is powered by Unity Catalog. From here, you can manage your tables like catalog and then schema and then tables, views, volumes, and some permissions for the tables. Like tables we use, you can set some permissions to it. It acts as a centralized data governance layer in Databricks. Now coming to this jobs and pipelines, this section is used to automate data processing. Here you can create scheduled jobs, build workflows, automate ETL pipelines, monitor job executions. This is manually used, mainly used in production environments. If you click on this jobs and pipelines, there you go. We don't have any setup, any jobs and pipelines, right? But you can see the jobs and pipelines if you have created anything. Pipeline type also ETL or ingestion or MVST pipeline or database table sync. All this will be displayed here. Coming to this compute. As I said previously, the compute is a cluster. It will show you something, all purpose clusters, job compute, serverless compute, all these details will be showed in the compute section. And the discover section, it helps you explore available datasets, tables, notebooks, and other resources within your Databricks environment. And coming to the marketplace. So if you click on this marketplace, it allows organizations to discover and securely share datasets, machine learning models, notebooks, and other data products. It provides access to trusted third-party and partner data. Now coming to the SQL section. We have SQL editor. It is used to write and execute SQL queries directly on your data. And coming to the queries, the query section stores all your saved SQL queries for future use. And dashboard, you can create some dashboards to help visualize data using charts, graphs, and KPIs, making it easier to monitor business metrics. Now coming to this Genie Spaces. Genie Spaces allows users to interact with their data using natural language, making data exploration much simpler without writing complex SQL alerts. Alerts automatically notify users when specific data conditions are met, such as sales dropping below a threshold or system metrics exceeding the predefined limits they have set. In that scenarios, the alerts will be notifying the users. Query history. It will display all the previously executed SQL queries, making it easier to review execution details and troubleshoot issues. Like, coming to this SQL warehouse, if you have created in SQL warehouse, it will like provide the compute resource required to execute SQL queries efficiently, and it is optimized specifically for analytics and business intelligence workloads. This is whole part is coming under SQL. Now coming to the data engineering side. Now this area, the tools required to build, manage, and monitor modern data pipelines. You can see runs. In the runs, you can see if any job we have triggered, it will show here under runs. See, jobs and pipelines and the recent runs. We can select the date and start date, and we can see the run status, whether it is succeeded, completed, or failed, or skipped. All the status you can show here. It will show here. You can interactively monitor those. I will be covering the creating a job in the upcoming session. We can go through in detail. And data ingestion. Data ingestion help bring data into Databricks from various external systems. Like you can ingest some files from your local system to the Databricks, or you can connect to Amazon S3, Salesforce, or SQL Server, or some external connectors you can connect, and you can ingest data into the Databricks. And visual data preparation. It provides a low-code interface to clean, transform, and prepare datasets without writing extensive code. It will help you prepare very low code, basically. And coming to the AI/ML machine learning models, like Databricks also like provides a comprehensive platform for machine learning and generative AI. Some important components like AI playground for experimenting with the AI models. You can try to learn the experience like AI models that are already present in the Databricks, and agents for building intelligent AI applications, AI gateway for securely managing AI model access, experiment for tracking machine learning training runs, features to store feature stories for managing reusable machine learning features, model serving for deploying like trained machine learning models as real-time APIs. So all these are related to AI, ML, machine learning models. If you want to learn and upskill on the machine learning part, you can really come here and practice interactively using these dashboards, playgrounds, and agents. So that concludes our Databricks free edition setup and workspace overview. In the upcoming videos, we will start building notebooks, writing Spark code, understanding the Spark architecture, working with our Delta Lake, and exploring real world data engineering use cases. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.